Hey there. Oh my gosh. I just wanted to go through this safari experience that we're going to stay at in Madikwe. This is amazing. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Okay, this is amazing. Okay, I'm going to look right here at the hotel. Oh my goodness. Okay, I don't know if this is where we're going to stay or not. So I'm going to look because I know we are in a tented the 6-person tented area. Let's see if I can find it. Okay, I could be happy with any of these. Look at the tree lodge. I love that. It's got the roll up sides. I don't know if the animals are coming all the way up those steps or not, but this vibe is amazing. I don't think that's us because it's 8 elevated custom tree houses. So I'm going to look at this one. Oh, this is it right here. Okay. Safari Lodge. Okay, let's explore this one. Let's explore. Okay. 6 tinted suites, 2 exclusive use villas, and the romantic starbed suites. Okay, I think I like that. You got the screen in areas, tinted suites right here. Let's take a look. Okay, tinted suite. I don't know if I love all of this here, but okay, I like it. So we've got in-suite bathroom, private outdoor stone shower. I can rock with the outdoor shower. Stocked custom safari gin bar, mini bar, and Kalahari cooler. Okay, that helps me a lot. Air conditioning and ceiling fans, that's important. High speed Wi-Fi, private viewing deck. Oh, I need to bring my binoculars for sure. Okay, let's see what it includes. Safari activities, all inclusive dining. Love that. Select beverages. And so some shared facilities, swimming pool, and everything. This is looking amazing. So, oh, there's more. Okay, I like this. This is different. Oh, I'm seeing, oh yeah. Give me bubbles. Give me view. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I love this. All right. So I'm going to just walk through some of these activities. If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, you should. I'm going to go through everything all about Africa. And for all of my overthinkers, you're going to love my new reaction videos because I'm going to definitely show you everything that's coming up in my next Africa trip. So stay tuned. And if you haven't already, like and subscribe to the channel so you can be first up to hear about what's next.